everyone, I'm Ayushi and I'm back after a very long time and I'm sorry for that. And as you all know, I finally got Dyson hair dryer for myself and I'm so happy and excited to try it today. So let's get started. I'm all done with my shampoo and conditioner. So I'll quickly tell you about what shampoo and products I use for my hair. So this is Body Wise ka ketoconazole dandruff shampoo. Although I do not have dandruff, but this cleans my scalp pretty well, so I use this. And for conditioning, I have started using this L'Oreal Professional ka Vitamino color. I actually feel that this actually smoothens my hair. So yeah, this is my Dyson. This is the diffuser. This is detachable, and as a curly head person, anyone who has curly hair, they can totally relate कि मानसून सीजन में कितना मुश्किल होता है फ्रिज कंट्रोल करना और कर्ल्स को प्रोटेक्टेड रखना और बहुत कुछ. So I hope this will work for my hair. Also, this comes with a lot of attachments like hair wrap and like straightening wala thing. But I don't like to straighten my hair. I don't like to like style them in an unnatural way. I like what I have. This is Fix My Curls ka hair quenching butter, and this actually helps with the frizz. This is Fix My Curls gel, flaxseed gel. Also, this is also to protect from frizz, which is like my biggest enemy. And it took me around 20 to 25 minutes to like dry them 50%, and after that I left them to air dry for about 3 to 4 hours. आज बारिश भी हुई, रेनी सीजन्स, इतनी ह्यूमिडिटी के बावजूद माई कर्ल्स आर so well defined. I never thought this day would come. Otherwise I always kept my hair in a bun during rainy seasons क्योंकि और कोई ऑप्शन ही नहीं रहता था. So this is 50% dry, but they already look so good. Although it's monsoon season right now, so it will take around 3 to 4 hours more than it normally takes to fully dry my hair. So I'll come after 3 to 4 hours and let's hope. So मेरे hair 90% तो dry हो चुके हैं और ऑलरेडी 3 घंटे हो चुके हैं, बट स्टिल 100% ड्राई नहीं हुआ है. स्टिल 80 to 90% ड्राई में भी काफ़ी डेफिनेशन है, विच इज़ लाइक मैंने इतना भी एक्सपेक्ट नहीं किया था. आई एम सो हैप्पी. दिस थिंग एक्चुअली वर्क. समथिंग वर्क्स फॉर माई हेयर ड्यूरिंग रेनी सीजन्स. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग. प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब.